Hey guys, today is Daddy's 30th birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What can you say? Ay, tulog. Ano ba yan? Wala pa man din. Tulog na. And we're going to the Bayleaf Hotel. 15-minute drive lang. And we're going to celebrate Daddy's birthday. Yeah, we're here! Yeah, super rapid lang. I think sa kabila. Exit yan, Dad. So, ito na. Dito na kami sa The Bayleaf na napakalayo. Napagod ka ba sa pagdadrive? Yan, here's the entrance. Yeah. Bababa muna kami. Wait lang guys, wait lang. Hey, we're here. Where are you? Okay. Hi there. Hi there. Yeah, so here's going to our room now. Check-in time.
Anong problem tayo? Third.
We're here na sa aming room. Hi, ate!
Hello, I see the swimming pool.
Really? Are you happy? Yan. So, deluxe room talaga yung book namin. Pero, yan, binigyan kami ng big room. Meron 3 beds. So, sa isang bed, si Maxine. Yan, tapos tigs na kami ni Daddy. Hello! Happy birthday, Dad! Happy birthday, Daddy!
Huh?
Greet mo si Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you, baby. I love you.
Yan, so laki ng room namin. And then, ito naman yung view namin. Which is yung pool. Di ba, Dad? Mas okay kung pool yung view kesa naman... Yan. So, there is the pool.
I'm happy. I'm super excited.
Yeah.
Like one month.
And then, ito naman yung bathroom. What's your birthday wish?
Birthday wish ko ay good health and world peace.
Ano ang birthday? Ano ang birthday wish mo?
Wala na akong mahihiling pa eh.
Kasi nasa'yo na ako. Alam ko naman yun. Happy you, 30 ka na.
Ano to ha? I mean, parang hindi lang deluxe to me. Parang ano siya.
Hindi nga.
Diba na-upgrade siya? Kasi alam ko deluxe walang ganito eh.
Meron naman. May ganito.
May ganito?
Oo. Lahat naman ng hotel may ganito.
Hindi, mga small na room wala. Meron tiyo, breakfast. Stomach ko. Pakulo na lang. Mamaya na.
Di makaget over si ate na nasa hotel kami. So we're waiting for friends.
Pwede mo ako sa wifi niya. Ano password?
It's there. This is the atrium. Now we're going to Fem's room.
Kasi wala na talagang mga buhay. Fully book na lang.
Ah, talaga?
So, magpipilitan siyempre
Oo.
yung...
Feeling ko nga wala nang available na deluxe. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Kaya
Parang may Christmas party kasi dito.
sa baba may event.
May mga nag-rent ng room.
Mommy,
Hmm.
we can either see ourselves.
Yeah, say
Mommy,
hi.
why? Mommy, why this already Max 10? Why this already Max 10? Why?
Buti nga, di na kailangan ng key card.
Help. Up?
Rar. Go. Oops, ate, excuse me. Is it right? Ano, 405? So it's 406?
Oh, 1. Oh, 1, 1. 406.
So, goodbye, gang.
406. We have
This is the atrium.
Ganda.
Ganda daw. So, tuwan-tuwa si Maxine.
Or zero.
Hi!
We're gonna eat na.
Ano oras ako, Mami?
6. So, sa atrium kami. We're gonna eat here. Dad. Ate Max. Nag-wait na lang kami ng food namin. Dear little kiddo! Maurice! Maurice! Ate! Hi! It's Christmas.
No.
Happy birthday, Dad.
No. For sharing food.
Ah, yes.
For sharing.
Kahit yung small.
Dad, happy birthday! Open it.
Ha?
Open it.
Do I need surprising?
Guess mo muna. Guess mo muna. Any guess?
What?
So what?
Oh? Open it. Watch na yung ano mo. Guess mo.
Yung cellphone.
Okay, guys.
Yung malabong PlayStation din.
Malay mo, ano pala yung card pala ng PlayStation. Char.
Ano yung magugustuhan ko?
Happy birthday.
Tingnan mo magugustuhan ko.
Oo naman.
Oo.
I know you. Alam mo ba, niloloko pa ako ng anak mo dyan.
Bakit?
Sabi ko, do not tell daddy ha, that bumili tayo ng watch. Sabi niya, what? Sabi niya, I
Meron
can't
kayo
hear
galing
you.
sa SM.
Ha?
Meron pala kayo galing
Oo.
sa SM.
And, dun, 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 dun. The unboxing.
Let's see.
Kinakabahan ako.
Alam mo kung anong gusto ko ah.
Of course.
Wow.
Ay. Ang dami sa akin ino-offer nung sales lady. Sabi ko, hindi, ito talaga yung gusto niya. Kahit ang daming design niya, ito talaga yung gusto niya. Kahit mas mura yun. Gusto niya.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love you, Dad.
Love you.
Sobrang bagay. Nice. Ganda bagay. Happy birthday.
I don't know what I've been told.
Someone new is getting old.
Would you see this year this spring?
By you 6303.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
Birthday
to you.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Happy birthday.
Wow.
We're done to eat. We're going to the room now.
Tawag mo kukulungin na. Ayan o. Ayan na.
Where we going? Nice. Nice view. Guys, so bumalik na kami sa room namin after namin mag-bar sa V8. And then here's Maxine. She's gonna sleep na kasi we need to wake up early, very early for breakfast. And after breakfast, dun pa lang kami mag-swimming since di kami nakapag-swimming kanina. And then here's Maria's very sleepy. And yan, I'm preparing for sleep. Good night. See you tomorrow. Ready to sleep. Yan, so pinagdikit muna namin yung bed. Good night. Happy birthday, Daddy. Dad, happy birthday. Love you. Hey guys, good morning. So, it's breakfast time. Hindi ako nakapag-video kanina. Yes, Daddy. Doon si Daddy. Wanna get some food. Here's my breakfast. Ate Maxine and Daddy. Pagising ni Maurice. Good morning, my baby. Hi. Good morning. We're back in our room.
Mommy, can I take a video?
Of course, they want.
Yeah. Swimming pool, swimming pool, swimming pool. I like swimming, Mommy.
Full bar, ground floor. Gabi 12 ng pa-start.
Mommy, I like swimming. I like swimming.
Ano yung full bar?
Oh, you're super cute.
bar, yung bar yun.
Oh,
7 a.m. to 8
super
p.m.
cute. Cutie, cutie. Good, good. Do you like this? Why? Pants? No, they don't like. This is our bedroom. Where I sleep. And we're going to swim here. Mommy, hello. Hello, Mommy.
Ay, hi!
Outfit ready.
So, nakapagpalit na kami ng outfit. And I'm not gonna swim.
Halloween, I will fill your head.
Ano, happy Halloween. Here's Maurice. She's not gonna swim. Kasi para siyang magkakasipon. So, papaarawan ko lang siya. Since very early pa naman.
Stop. Stop your hey.
Masyadong excited yung bata mag-swimming. Hi, love.
Don't think about it that I'm going to swim.
Let's go. Bailayin mo. Hey, mga bagets. It's 7 a.m. kaya yan pa. For the paaraw ang girly here. Kaso, silaw. I'm gonna go walking. Go, you can do it. Just see.
Look, I said. Let me drop this
Hi! Nagsiswimming pa rin si Maxine sa si Daddy. Ayun, so. We're going home na. We're going home. They're going home too.
But I miss my friend.